Please show your support, subscribe to this channel, help us to continue to bring fun and educational material to your young readers. A link to this book and all books read on this channel can be found in the description below. Thank you once again, and please subscribe. Hi reading buddies, welcome back. In today's Pete the Cat book, Pete helps the Tooth Fairy. Do you know who the Tooth Fairy is? Well, why don't we find out together, okay? And be sure to stick around to the end for a special shout out to one of our readers. Today's book is Pete the Cat and the Lost Tooth by James Dean. If you have a copy, well, get yours and you can read along. Pete lost a tooth. Put it under your pillow, his mom says. The Tooth Fairy will come. Pete puts the tooth under his pillow. He closes his eyes. He hears a jingle. It is the Tooth Fairy. I'm very busy tonight, she says. I can help, says Pete. Great. She gives Pete magic wings. He can fly. Visit these cool kids, says the Tooth Fairy. Just take the tooth and leave a coin, she says. Pete is ready to go. Callie is first on his list. There is Callie's lost tooth. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Callie. Alligator is next on the list. Look, Alligator's lost tooth. Careful, it's very sharp. Pete takes the tooth. He leaves a coin for Alligator. Gus the Platypus is next on the list. Uh-oh. Where's the tooth? The tooth is not here. The tooth is not there. The tooth is not anywhere. Where is Gus's lost tooth? The tooth is lost. Does Pete panic? Nope. He knows what to do. Look, Gus is awake. Where is your tooth, Gus? Asked Pete. Platypuses don't have teeth, says Gus. But I still want to be part of the Tooth Fairy fun. No worries, says Pete. Pete puts a coin under Gus's pillow. Thank you, Gus says. You're welcome, says Pete. Good night, Gus. Great work, Pete, says the Tooth Fairy. No problem, says Pete. Not everyone is the same, but being kind is very cool. Wow, that was pretty cool. If we lose a tooth, we put it under our pillow and the Tooth Fairy gives us a coin. I'm going to try it. How about you? I sure hope so. And it was also cool that Pete showed us that even though people aren't always the same, we should always be nice to them. And today's special shout out goes to Taisha J. Taisha lives in Kansas City, Kansas. Wow, that's really cool. Hi, Taisha. I sure hope you enjoyed the Pete the Cat book. I really did. I want to thank all you reading buddies for stopping by, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.